The top, Kenrick Joseph. Who is that? Mr. Kenny J, one of the sweetest voices in the soca parang industry here in Sweet TNT, and he has joined me this morning on A Cup of Joe. Thank you so much for being here, Mr. Joseph.
You're welcome.
It sounds funny coming out of my mouth, he's saying Mr. Joseph.
That's okay, man.
Kenny J.
Yeah, man. Okay, Mr. Joe.
Kenny J.
Kenny J.
How did a policeman end up with a sweet singing soca parang voice like yours? How did that happen?
How could I answer that? I entered the police service with a sweet voice.
Serious?
Yeah, so it didn't come out from the service, you know.
So did you recognize you had a sweet singing voice before entering the police service, or was
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, uh-huh.
You knew you always, that was always part of you?
Yeah.
Singing?
It has been so.
Well,
Because I was a member of a band even before I joined the service, you know.
Right. Tell me
Imperial Brass, I was the lead singer, the love singer there, you know, so I had this sweet voice all the time, you know.
So you sang before entering the police service?
Yeah, and I continue singing while being in the service, you know.
Yeah, nice.
Also singing with the police band, you know, when they perform and all that, you know. And a lot of, I stay with the band too as well, you know, and it has been like that.
Still with the band? Still with that band? Or
But
that
no,
band
that band is not there. That was Imperial Brass. You know?
Right.
Yeah.
That was way back in the day.
Oh, yeah, man.
You became known, Kenny, for soca parang, but I want to just take you. Where did Kenny J start in terms of calypso and soca? Because although you became known for soca parang,
right? Okay.
I mean, you were in the big yard for a couple of years.
For 4 years, yeah.
For 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
So where did the transition take place? Calypso into soca parang? Is that how it happened?
Well, you know, it was love songs first, right?
Love songs, right?
Now I got into calypso, and it was easy sailing, you know. Built myself there, get a good name. And then, you know, according to how I see things going, I say, hey, I can jump because, hey, I can do almost anything, right? While singing, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. While singing.
Yeah, you know, I could do almost anything like that. So I get into soca parang as well, and, you know, put my style out there, you know. And
before soca parang, though,
uh-huh.
I am addicted to sweet soca.
Yeah, man.
You remember that one?
All I want is sweet soca. Yeah, man. And you know that was real kaiso, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That was a different era,
in
wasn't
those days, yeah, because you know you could sing a nice serious song as well as a nice party song with good lyrics too, you know.
Yeah.
And be in the finals, you know, and it was very interesting.
And you made the finals with Addicted to Sweet Soca.
Yeah, on 4 occasions, I made it, and Addicted to Sweet Soca, and Leave Your Daughter Alone, you know, Leave She Alone.
Yes, I remember.
I used to sing some serious calypso, you know, because most of these things, you know, whilst in my job, I may get nice topics to work on, you know, and here it comes, man, because most of these songs, you hear Jaylee Nice, you hear a lot of good songs, you know, come out, you know, while I'm performing duties, you know.
Right.
Yeah,
Still in the police service?
No, I have retired from the police service. I'm a retiree, you know.
Relaxing now.
Yeah. Not too relaxing because, you know, they're just calling for me all the time because it's Christmas time too. So you really can't relax on Christmas time.
Right.
You got to go there and make the people happy, you know.
Soca parang. You found a niche with soca parang when you started doing soca parang?
Yeah, well, you know, you get into soca parang with your style, you know, because my first soca parang hit was the paintbrush, right?
Yes.
And, you know, they were kind of skeptical to play it first until they get to realize here what's going on. He's singing about a paintbrush, you know?
Yes. Get your minds out of the
And
gutter.
that's important. And they got to realize it's a clean song, you know, but just people think differently and they're free to think that way.
How was that song penned? Where did the idea come from? I mean, that double entendre.
Yeah, the idea came about, you know, some time before I really started to write that song, you know. And then I was wondering how to develop it, you know. And then, you know, I went on a trip to Montreal, you know, sat on a train there. And before I reached my point, you know, I already penned the song, you know, in comfort.
In comfort.
Yes.
But when you were writing the song, Kenny, you knew the double entendre was there. You knew that was the intention.
My purpose of writing is to make you think how I want you to think.
Right.
but I'm not singing that.
Right.
You know, but I know how I write my songs. If you listen to the other songs, I have a chorus or something that make you say what I want you to say.
Right.
And make you think how I want you to think. Right?
Which brings Alexander to the table.
Yes, I make you think how I want you to think. I pen my songs in that way.
Right.
But what I am singing is something different. You know, and that is the art in writing,
Yes.
you know. That when people hear this song, they are going to discuss it. They say, wait a minute, you ain't hear that? It means so and so, you know. Or you could think so and so, you know, but it's not that he's singing.
No.
You know?
Because he's saying Alexander.
You're right, it's Alexander.
It's Alexander,
and you know, my name is Joseph. Sometimes they call me Joe.
Joe, yeah.
Yeah, everybody have a sweet name.
Alec?
Yeah, and this song, it was Alexander who we talking about. We didn't talk about Robert. You know, we didn't talk about Robbie and all this. No, we talk about Alexander.
So you pen your own lyrics.
Yeah,
you write.
yeah, and you know, it comes about, you know, you need to do it correctly and properly. That, you know, there are other people who may say different, right? Mm-hmm. They need to say how they want to say it, no problem. But I am saying I am not innocent because I know how I write my songs.
Yes, yes.
And it is going to make you think how I want you to think. It's going to make you sing what I want you to sing.
Yeah, yeah.
I make you behave how I want you to behave. Right? But then, most of the time, they don't listen to the lyrics, the rest of the song, you know. They listen to the part that they want to hear.
Yeah, that hook line alone.
I feel to put something in your mouth. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, you know. And I talk about a piece of ham, a piece of pastel, you know. And I talk, you know, but they don't hear those things.
They don't hear those things.
But, and so, that is it, because most of the time, you know, even when I listen to songs like, you know, No, we ain't going home. Nobody hear the lyrics of the song. All they're saying is, No, we are going home, you know.
Yeah.
They don't know what it means.
Yeah,
you know, they don't know what the song is saying.
Yeah.
But they just love the part that they could grasp onto, you know.
We are so glad to have you here, Kenny G.
Yeah,
you're going to spend some more time with us because you take part in some alcohol.
Yeah, when it comes to
you.
Yeah,
so,
how you mean?
So you'll join me at the bar.
Sure, man.
And we'll take a drink. Yeah, we want you to stay with us this morning. We'll talk a little more because you're here with us for the morning. So you're going to close off with a little performance for us as well.
Whatever, man.
We are just Soca Parang is such a unique.
We in the Christmas, man, and I'm in the spirit, man. The spirit is there, man. Yeah.
Kenrick Joseph, a.k.a. Kenny J, has been around for how many years have you been doing this, Kenny J?
Well, you mean Soca Parang?
Yes.
Soca Parang is since 1993, but, you know, Calypso is since 1988.
Wow.
87 is when I won the police Calypso, and I said I was ready to come outside. You know?
Right.
So 88 professionally, you know, I came out, and that's it, you know. I came out late, you know, but I think I achieved a lot.
You did what you had to.